Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many people face when working with Excel VBA. The problem at hand involves optimizing a code snippet that was put together by combining elements from two different resources. The original code was a bit clunky, so our goal is to find a more efficient and streamlined solution. Now let's dive into the solution that was crafted for this specific challenge. The first part of the solution involves a VBA script that iterates through a predefined list of sheet names and deletes each corresponding worksheet if it exists. This approach leverages a for each loop and the worksheets delete method to simplify the code and make it more concise. By setting application.display alerts to false, the script can bypass any confirmation prompts while deleting the sheets. Moving on to the next part of the solution. If you're confident that all the specified sheets exist and want to delete them in one go, there's an even more straightforward method available. By using the worksheets array delete statement, you can directly delete multiple sheets by passing an array of sheet names as arguments. This approach eliminates the need for a loop and further streamlines the code execution process. In summary, we've explored a refined approach to deleting specific worksheets in Excel using VBA. By optimizing the code structure and leveraging array-based operations, we've enhanced the efficiency and readability of the script. I hope this solution helps you enhance your VBA skills and tackle similar challenges more effectively in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any VBA tricks you'd like to share. Until next time, happy coding!